One of my favorite design patterns is Flyweight. This pattern aims to minimize the use of memory in application by sharing as much data as possible with related objects. In other words, the Flyweight pattern provides a mechanism by which you can avoid creating a large number of expensive objects, and instead reuse existing instances to represent new objects. Shared Flyweight objects are immutable. It means they cannot be changed because they represent the characteristics that are shared with other objects. If there is a large number of objects that may not fit in memory, the Flyweight design pattern is the best choice. Because using this pattern, you will decrease memory consumption and increase performance of your application. Look at this simple example from our next lesson. We create main class which contains unique data and Flyweight class with shared data. Also, we have Flyweight generator that generates Flyweights for us. How to implement this design pattern I will show you in the next video. See you!